How to fix Mint data speed throttled wrong. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply check your high-speed data allowance. Simply like you can open your Mint mobile app, or you can get into their application and make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure you're logged into account, you can simply try to verify your remaining unthrottled data balance and see if that helped you guys. But if you are sure that it's not any high-speed data allowance, then you can try to verify your cycle reset data. You can check when your monthly billing cycle officially resets. Throttling lifts often on the first day of the new cycle, so you can check that out too, right? So after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then try to check your APN setting. Ensure that your access point name APN settings match with the Mint's current configuration, which is like wholesale or ultra too, right? Or after doing all of that, if it's still not working, then you can try to reset your device and then toggle the data like on and off. You can scroll down through your control panel, and of course when you're using your data, make sure that is turned on like that, and simply turn that off and then turn it back on and see if that helped or not. So if that did not help, then lastly try to call their customer service. I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out. You can get into their chatting or directly call them too.